how beautifully US crude and NG has supported the levels which I shared, both precisely reversing from the levels at 86 levels. That is a stronger resistance for US crude. I told you several times, the above which only you can buy, and see precisely it has dropped since then. Likewise, NG failed to sustain at 80.2, 8.02 and dropped since then. I hope you all profited. Now, what can be expected out of these two today? How to trade, which position to take, what should be our strategy, we will decide with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profits. Do not commit this mistake. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon and watch till the end. First we'll look into US crude followed with NG. Let's start the day. US crude trading at 83.75 levels, and if you look at the hourly, now look at the hourly charts. I told you yesterday, be careful of 86 levels. Only if it breaks past 86 you can consider that it is trying to trade bullish, and below 85 certainly it will show you sharp drop. And see precisely it has dropped below 85. Now see the resistance there here at 84.5 levels, and in fact it is a tad below this, but consider that as 84.5. and if you see it trading above 84.5, certainly you can expect the next target 85, 85.5 and 86. Till 86 it has got a stronger resistance on the upside. Now also look at the hourly charts. Lower highs are seen here. At the same time it is trying to trade with higher lows, so I'll keep a watch on 83.5 on the downside, and specifically 83. If it breaks below 83, certainly you can expect that we are going to look forward to another round of drop, which might take it till towards 82 and $80 levels, and in fact below that is also possible. The directional movement is bearish here. Stochastic is seen at bottom there, trying to trade flat at the bottom. Be careful. The MACD is bearish and it is trying to converge here and cross over for a bullish move. The RSI is curving upwards. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, sharp drop, reversal, resistance precisely at the same levels, and this box you have to watch out for, that is between 86 to 84. I have told you in my weekly analysis, I have told you in my daily analysis, this box you have to be careful of, 84 to 86 level. It is trading below this again, and now see 83 is also giving it a very strong support there, and we have seen candles reversing from those levels. Yes, you can take a short entry today at 83.5 and then expect it to continue with the drop. First support at 83, 82.8, and then below that you can certainly expect it to hit 82 and 81.4 levels. Below that we may see it hitting $80 levels directly. It can in fact breach below 80. Anything is possible, but only trade as per the levels, not as per the bias. On the upside you can buy at 84.5, above 84.5 again 85.85, 85.5, 86. At every $0.5, either you have to close your trades or either you have to shift your stop loss to these levels and then expect it to continue in the same direction and let it get close. If it reverses, and yes, you can re-enter again if you see it trading in the same direction and take the same trade again. So yes, till 86 be cautious. Only bullishness is seen above 86, beyond which you can certainly remain bullish. So this is on the 2-hour charts. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic has seen the bottom. It is trying to curve up, but the drop this time could be sharp enough for it to take vertically down. MACD diverging, MACD bearish on the 2-hour charts, and RSI is looking upwards, indicating little bullishness. Look at the 3-hour charts. Resistance symmetry is done. Second sharp drop. Now it is creating higher lows there. Previously 83, now 83.5. Be cautious. Be cautious for the day in between 83.5 and 84.5 levels, and let it sustain above these levels a little before you take a trade, and definitely you can at least get 0.5 on the downside, where 82.8, 83 levels are going to be support, and below that you can certainly expect a good drop. Until 86 you have to be cautious with your long entries. Yes, you can buy at 84.5, but be cautious, trail your stop loss till 86. Same as what we have seen here on the 1-hour, 2-hour charts. The directional movement is bearish. Stochastic has seen a bottom, trying to come out of it, but this time it can be, if it drops, it is going to be a sharper drop. The MACD is divergent and bearish here. RSI is looking upwards. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, now look at the 4-hour charts. 3 candles, higher lows, lower highs here. Hence you have to wait and watch out for if it breaks either of these levels. A break above 84.5 will be good enough for it to take it till towards 84.8, 85, 85.5, 86. But till then you have to trail with the stop loss. At the same time, on the downside, once it breaks below 83 and then below 83, it is going to give you a good crash. Directional movement, bearish stochastic at bottom, the MACD is divergent and bearish. This is just 3 candles apart. RSI is trading flat. Considering this, for the day, sell at 83.5, buy at 84.5 till 86. You have to trail your stop loss. Remember, it can reverse any point of time till 86. On the downside, be careful of 83, 82.8 levels, and then below that you can expect 82.4, 82, and then 81.4, 80 levels. It can drop below 81 also. It can drop till towards 80. Be careful there and take your positions accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at natural gas. And before we proceed to natural gas, yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, taking right entries, right exits at the right time, you can join my mentorship batch. 15 days, 90 minutes daily live sessions. You can definitely, the strategies taught will help you become a profitable and proficient trader. And missing out this session is definitely you are missing out the profits. Do not commit this mistake. Do join the mentorship batch. 16th batch is going to start on 3rd of October. Be a part of it. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram ID, my email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. And yes, if you want to support the effort which I am putting here for you, day-to-day basis, delivering consistently profits to you, join the Patreon page, support the cause, support the effort. $7 per month is the contribution. It means nothing to you, but means a lot to me. Become a Patreon and support the effort. Now look at the NG on the hourly charts. And see, NG on the hourly charts, certainly previously 7.92 was the resistance. Yesterday it tried to break out 8.02. The next level it has achieved, but failed to sustain these levels and again seen a drop. And yes, see, 7.7, 7.74, it has created the next base out there, trying to reverse. Be careful in between the zone, that is 7.92 to 7.74. Be careful of these levels. We will try to find out where we can enter. Directional movement is moderately bullish here. Stochastic is seen at high, trying to reverse from here. MACD has seen a crossover. It is trading in green, but very little divergence. See, the bearishness was diminished here. The bullishness is also on the smaller side of it. RSI is trading flat. And on the 2-hour charts, likewise on the 2-hour charts, you will find high, drop, a breakout, higher highs are done, and then again a sharper drop. See, higher highs, higher lows. So it is trying to trade in this channel. Certainly for the day, if you see it trading above 7.9, yes, you can buy there. Then expect 7.948, 8.1 levels to get achieved. 8.1 is certainly a very good resistance for NG today. And in fact, for this week, 8.1 is a very strong resistance. I have told you 8.1, 8.2 zone, you have to be careful in between these levels. On the downside, certainly if it drops below 7.7, you can go short, but you have to be careful till towards these levels are breached, specifically 7.7. So in between 7.7 and 7.9 for the day, I will recommend you not to trade for this $0.2. Directional movement not indicative of anything. Stochastic has seen a bottom, trying to reverse again. The MACD is trading in green with little divergence. RSI is at comfortable zone. Look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, higher lows are seen, lower highs are seen. Exceptional cases are there. There is a breakout which we had seen earlier. So for the day, just wait for it to break out beyond 7.9, and then above that you can certainly expect that we may see 7.95, 8.02, and then 8.1 levels at the next resistance. In fact, 8.2 can be achieved. Just wait for it to give it a breakout. At the same time, below 7.7, certainly you can remain short. Then you can expect it to drop for 7.65, 7.6 levels, and below 7.6 it may show you a sharper drop. Now if you connect the dots here, it is trying to trade within this. Be careful. Directional movement is bearish, it is trying to converge here. The stochastic is seen a bottom, trying to reverse from here. The MACD is trading with bullishness, it is divergent. RSI is trading at comfortable levels. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour chart, see rise, retracement, series of red candles, higher lows are done. Now this time it is trying to reverse the 20 period average. Here it's giving it a little resistance at 7.9 levels. Be careful. The next candle, if you see it trading above 7.9, just stay long and then you can expect it to achieve 8.1 levels. Be careful on the downside. Only sell entry today is below 7.7. Directional movement is bearish. It is willing to converge and cross over for a bullish move. Stochastic has seen a bottom, trying to reverse from here. The MACD is divergent and it is bullish. The RSI is looking upwards, and if you look at the daily chart, now look at the daily charts, a greener candle and a pullback from the downside. And now see here, lower highs, higher lows. The resistance at 7.98 is strong from the 100 to 200 period moving average, and then 8.02 the next resistance. See where it is pivoted. It is pivoted here at around 7.7 levels. So from there we have seen it dropping till towards 7.4 levels, and on the upside it is seen a rise till towards 8.02. So possibility for it to achieve these levels exists, but only bearishness is seen if it trades below 7.7, and then in fact till 7.6 it has a possibility for it to reverse and trade on the bullish side of it and achieve the higher highs at 8.1. For the day, till the time it trades above 7.7, definitely I will not recommend you to go short, but below 7.7 also till 7.6, 7.5 you have to be cautious. It can reverse and you have to tail your stop loss below 7.5. That definitely we may see 7.35, 7.3 and below levels are also possible. On the upside, be cautious of 7.9 levels. Beyond that, you can certainly expect that we may see 7.95, 8.02, 8.1, 8.2 levels. So take your trades accordingly. Do not trade between 7.7 and 7.9 levels today. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.